So, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 1358, which is marked as medium on Leetcode. The problem title is number of substrings containing all three characters, and the problem statement is given a string S consisting only of characters ABC. That is S is only consisting of ABC. There are only combination of ABC, no other characters. Return the number of substrings containing at least one occurrence of all these characters ABC. Return the number of substrings. Substring means this one A, only A is a substring, next A B is a substring, ABC2 is a substring, next B is a substring, BC is a substring, next C is a substring. So this is substrings. These are the substrings, and in these substrings, how many substrings are there that contain all the characters A, B, C? How many? You can see this one ABC. This substring contains all the characters ABC, and this substring ABC. This substring wait no not this one not contains ABC, because this one starts from B and ends here C, so there is no A, so this cannot contain all the characters, so only this substring contain ABC, so that's why for this the answer will be 1. So here in this example, ABC, the output is 10. So how the output comes 10, let's see. Here how many how many possible how many substrings are there? Let's see the substrings. So this is a substring, this is a substring, and this is a substring, and you can see for this substring this is the answer, right? ABC contain all the characters ABC are there in this substring, so my answer is let's say 1. Now this substring also contains ABC. You can see A, B, C, A. So this substring also contains ABC. So plus 1. Now this one also contains. This one also contains. So plus 1. Plus 1. So for this starting point, how many the answer is 2 to 4. There are 4 substrings that contains all the characters ABC. This one, and this one, and this one. 2 to 4. 4 substrings are there, right? Now go the update. Wait. Now substring. Now starts the substring from here. This substring, this is the substring, this is a substring. Now in this substring the characters are BCA, that is all the characters ABC. So this is possible answer, plus 1. Now this substring also contains all the characters ABC, and this substring also contains all the answers, so plus 1. So carry this approach and you will get the answer 10. Now let's come to the shortcut. How can you calculate this easily? So if you can see, when the answer is for this window, this is my answer, this is my possible answer, this is the substring that contains ABC. Now this substrings also contains ABC, because this substring contains ABC, so the substring that starts from this A and cover all the strings will also contain ABC, because this one contains ABC, so the bigger one will also contain ABC, right? This is obvious. So let's come to the brute force. First let's come to the brute force approach. So what should be the brute force approach? You have to find all the substrings possible. So make a for loop that will iterate over this string, and another make another nested for loop that will keep track of the end of the substring, right? End of the substring, and make another for loop that will basically find how many is there ABC or not. In that substring, is there any the ABC character are there or not. If there is ABC character, then update answer by 1. If not, then go to the next substring. So that's how you can solve this in brute force approach. So in brute force approach, the time complexity would be big O of n cube, right? The time complexity will be big O of n cube, because you are using 3 nested loop, right? Big O of n cube. But let's come to the optimal approach. So the optimal approach would be, let me write this, example. S equal to ABC. So for this string, if I create a track of this I and j, if I create 2 pointers, first you can solve this by sliding window technique, right? Let me do this like this. Suppose, so this was my possible answer, right? ABC. For this string, my answer was what? My answer was 1. And this string contains ABC, and this string 2 contains ABC, right? This one, and this one. Okay, so for this window, how many what is my answer? Okay, so for this window, my answer is this is 1 2 3 4. My answer is 4, right? My answer is 4 plus. Okay, okay, this one, for this window, my answer was this. Now for this window, okay, sorry, and for this window, this window contains ABC too. So for this window, what is my answer? Right, this one 1 and 2 and 3. For this one, my answer was 3. Answer was 3 plus. Now for this window, what is the answer? For this window, my answer was 1 plus 1 is 2. My answer was 2 for this window. My answer was 2, right? Next, for let's check this window, and for this window, what is my answer? 1. Okay, plus 1. So what is, okay, so what is the total? Total is 10, right? Total is 10. So for this window, possible answer is 4. For this window, possible answer is 3. For this window, possible answer is 2. For this window, possible answer was 1. So total was 10. So this is how the answer 10 comes, right? So this is how the answer 10 comes. Now how can we solve this by coding? So this is a simple approach of sliding window. You can solve this by using sliding window. How can we solve this? First, here take I. Okay, I pointer points here and j pointer points here, right? So keep moving j, um, um, keep moving j, and when j reaches my first window length, then check if that window contains all the characters ABC or not, right? Let me write here, let me create the map here. This is the map. uh, okay, okay, this is the map. Now keep track of this. When j is a let's update here. So a is what? A's count is 1, right? A's count is 1. Next j comes here. Let me okay, let me copy this one. Let's see how can we copy this. Copy and paste it here. Paste. Okay. Okay. So that was my I. Here this one was I at the starting. Next j was pointing here, right? Okay, let me write this small. J was this was my j. At the starting j is pointing to a, so a is how many a are there? 1. Now let's j, update my j here. Now update j here. Okay, now j is pointing to b, so update here also b. How many b are there? 1. There 1 b. Now update j. Now update j here. Okay, this one j. So j is pointing to c, so c is here. So update c as well in the map. In the map c is 1, right? Now I have encountered a b c, all the characters, so update the answer. So here you can I will show you a short trick of finding the answer. Okay, so answer will be equal to, look, for this window, right? ABC, for this window how many answer were there? 4, right? So how can we create 4? J is, you can see j is pointing to 2 index, 0 1 2, and size of this index is 6, that is 6, that is n, right? N 6 means the size of the array n. If I write n minus j, so here j is 2 and n is 6, so what will be this? Will be equal to, n is 6, 6 minus 2 will be equal to 4, right? So you can see this, and this 4 comes from here, and if we do n minus j, then I can update my answer easily, right? So if I find a valid window, I will update my answer as answer plus equal to n minus j right? Then I will go to the next window. Go to the next window. So how can we go to the next window? We can go to the next window by updating j. So j will be here. Update j and update I as well, right? So I am updating my I. So this a will be cancelled. So this a will be removed. So I will remove this a like this, right? I will remove this a, and this a is coming, so I will add this a. So now the one will again be there. Now if it observe carefully that you can observe that this is also a valid window, right? BCA. This one is also contains how BCA, all the characters. See, BCA. So I will again update my answer. Previously answer was 4. So now the answer will be what will be the answer? Now answer will be equal to, previously it was 4. Now it will be n minus I, n minus j, that is 6 minus, and what is my j? J is index is 0 1 2 3. 6 minus 3, which is equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 7, right? My answer is 7. Now again update j. Now again update the j. J will be here. Okay, j will be here, and update I as well. Okay, this one will be I. So previously I was pointing to B, so B will be removed from here, right? Let me erase B. So B will be removed from here. This one, no, only this one. Okay, B will be removed, and this B will be added. So 1 will again be there. So now see, this is a valid window. Now I will have to again update my answer. So my answer will be equal to 7 plus, previously it was 7, and now j is pointing to 4 index. So my answer will be equal to n, that is 6 minus 4, which is equal to 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9, right? My answer is 9. Now again go to the next window, that is j will be here. Update j. Go to the next window means update I. Now you can see this is also a valid window. Now see C, update the C, right? Remove C, and again j is C, so add C. Now this is also a valid window, so again update the answer. So what will be the answer? Answer is equal to, previously it was 9 plus size is 6 minus j is pointing to 5 index, 6 minus 5, what will that will be equal to 10. So this will be your answer. This one will be your final answer, right? So this is how you can solve this using sliding window. So let's code this approach. Let's come to the Leetcode. So here we have to code this approach. So first of all, take the let me full screen this size. Okay, so size int n equal to s dot size. Store the size. Now create an unordered map, right? Unordered map that will basically store the characters frequency. So the first one will be character, and next one will be the frequency, that is integer. Name it as MP. So this one is my map. This one is my map. I will store here the frequency. Now int I equal to 0, and int j is also equal to 0. I will create a while loop that will run as long as j is not n, right? Now what I was doing here, I was j was here, so I will inserting this into my map. Let's insert this into the map. J, so charch is equal to s of j. Store the current character and push the insert the current character into the map. So mp dot insert ch. No, not like this. mp of ch plus plus, right? Update the frequency of that character, and updated the frequency of that character, and uh, when we are getting the window, if suppose if if here if my map dot size if my map dot size becomes equal to 3, right? If the map size is 3, right, abc, that is abc are there, then you have got the valid window, right? So update the answer. So take answer variable here, int answer is equal to 0, and here what will be the answer? Answer plus equal to n minus j, right? I was updating my answer as j. And now next, go to the next window. How can we go to the next window? Store char c8 is equals to store the character s of I, that is present at I, and delete that, I mean decrease the frequency of that character from the map. And if map of ch becomes 0, then remove that, erase that character from the map, right? Erase that character from the map and go to the next window, that is I++, and at the end what we have to do? J++, right? And from this function we have to return the answer, right? Let's try to run this. Let's see if it is accepted or not. Okay, compile error. Okay, so what is the error here? No template. Okay, I have, okay, D is not there. Unordered map. Okay, spelling mistake. Let's run again and see. Okay, wrong answer for this case. Output is equal to 1, expected is 3. So what is the problem? Triple A C B. My output is 1. How? It is checking for this window first. A. No, there was only A. A's count was 3, right? How many windows are expected is 3? 3 substrings are there. Next to this one. This one, right? So one substring there. Now we start from here, and this will not contain, but this will contain 2, and this one will contain 3. The output should be 3, but this code is giving one answer. So let's check this. Why is it giving one answer, and what can I do from here? Okay, there is something missing in my code. Let's see what is missing. Let's try to find. These test cases are passed. This one is also passed, but this one is not passing. So why my code is giving one answer for this? Let's try run this and check, and let's see. So I start from here, I and J. So J will come here, and map size only 1. Okay, only one, A is there. Now it will update here, it will update here. Now map size is what? Map size is 3. So answer is equal to n minus j, that is 3 to 5. 5 minus 4, that is 1. Answer is 1. Ch equal to s of I. Right, this one is s of I. Uh, decrease a. Okay, I have decreased a. I have decreased my a, and okay, এটা this window checking উইন্ডো হচ্ছে এটা পুরোটা একটাই উইন্ডো, পরে আর তো উইন্ডো হবে না। নেক্সট উইন্ডো, আসছে 3 তো আসতে হবে না, চেক করতে হবে এটা। এই পুরো উইন্ডোটা চেক করার পর এই উইন্ডোটা তো চেকই করছে না। এই উইন্ডো তো আছে একটা না, so what can we do from here? So here you can see that for this example, okay, for what was the example that was not running test cases for this example, right? This was my window, this was my first window, the whole string was my first window, and I was returning one because this window was only one, that contains ABC. Which was wrong. You can see that this window was containing ABC, and this one was also containing ABC, so 2, and this one was also containing ABC, so my answer should be 3, right? So I have to create another loop here, right? This is while loop. I have to create another while loop if my I is less than equal to n minus 3, and map dot size is equal to 3. While this is true, I have to do first store the character at I index s of I. Next update the answer as plus plus, right? For I was at here at at this A, first A I was here, so this was one substring that is containing ABC. Now I will update A I, so I will come to this A, so this one so this will increase the answer by 1, so this one was 1 containing ABC. Now I will update my again I, so this one will be again one substring, so at each step I have to update my answer by 1. Okay, I am updating. Now let's erase. MP of ch. Let's erase the while I am updating I erase the character frequency, that means decrease the character frequency from the map 2, and if MP of ch becomes equal to 0, then erase that character from the map, right? And at the end do I plus plus, right? Okay, and at the end return the answer. Okay, let's run this. Now this will run, this will be accepted, and let's try to submit this. I think this should be able to pass the test cases. Okay, there is wrong answer, again the wrong answer. So I was doing a mistake here. So what is the mistake? I had written if here. I have to write while loop here, because while the map size is 3, I will have to update my answer and keep changing the window, right? Like for this one is the window. Keep changing the window means I will be here, next I will come to here, this one will be one window. Mhm. So right, uh, I was changing the window. Uh, I was here, and I will be here. So my answer will be updating as well. So here I have to write while loop, right? Why? Because this window contains ABC, and because in the map the size is ABC, size is 3, and for this window the size is 3 as well. For this window size is 3. So as long as the map size is 3, my I will get my answer. So that's why I have to this I have to write a while loop here like this. Now at the end return the answer. Now let's try to run this. I hope this should be able to accept it. Okay, accepted. Now let's try to submit this. This should be able to pass all the test cases. Okay, so this is how you can solve the problem. Thank you.